The hidden rules of HVAC. 5 things you didn't know about your next Trane system. In the crucible of a Texas summer, air conditioning isn't a luxury, it's a non-negotiable. But for most homeowners, the process of buying a new system is a black box of opaque quotes and buried fine print. You might think buying a premium brand like Trane guarantees a decade of worry-free cooling, but the industry has hidden rules that can cost you thousands if you don't know how to play the game. To protect your investment, you need to look past the hardware. Here are 5 surprising takeaways from industry leaders like HVAC Services Pro that reveal the true catch in HVAC pricing and protection. 1. The 60-day paperwork tax protection is a choice, and it starts with a 60-day timer. While Trane provides a robust 10-year limited warranty on parts and compressors, this coverage is not the default. It is a reward for administrative diligence. Industry rules dictate that you must register your system within 60 days of installation. Fail to hit that window, and you are effectively paying a paperwork tax in the form of lost coverage. Your 10-year safety net can be slashed significantly, leaving you exposed to high-dollar repairs prematurely. Missing this window can reduce your warranty coverage, so timing matters. At HVAC Services Pro, we don't just install your system, we guide you through the warranty registration process to make sure your coverage is fully secured. HVAC Services Pro 2. The 2025 refrigerant shift and the mismatched trap. A Trane unit is part of an ecosystem. If your installer tries to save you money by pairing a new outdoor unit with your existing indoor coil, they might actually be voiding your warranty and ensuring a system failure. We are currently seeing a massive regulatory shift. For 2025 and 2026, R454B is the new industry standard refrigerant, replacing older chemistries like R410A. Using an old coil with a new R454B unit is more than a mismatch. It's a technical violation. To stay compliant, your system must meet this checklist. Asterisk refrigerant sink. Both indoor and outdoor units must be rated for R454B. Asterisk tonnage alignment. Cooling capacity must be identical across all components. Asterisk certified. Matching. Components must be specifically designed to work together to maintain manufacturer standards. 3. The end of the tonnage markup. The traditional HVAC sales model is built on an invisible scale. The larger your home, the higher the markup. Most contractors charge a premium for a 5-ton unit over a 1.5-ton unit, despite the actual hardware cost difference often being marginal. Market disruptors like HVAC Services Pro have moved to a same price for any size model. Whether you need a 1.5-ton or a 5-ton AC, the unit price remains identical. This removes the incentive for size-based upselling and allows you to choose the correct capacity for your home without a financial penalty. Most importantly, this transparent pricing includes free professional installation, eliminating the hourly rate surprises that typically inflate a final bill. 4. Bridging the $2,500 labor gap. Homeowners often mistake a 10-year parts warranty for a 10-year free repair guarantee. This is a dangerous assumption. Trane may provide the replacement compressor for free, but they don't pay the technician to install it. The labor gap is where the real financial pain lives. A single compressor replacement can cost between $1,500 and $2,500 in labor charges alone. Without a specific labor guarantee, your protected system is still a liability. On top of Trane's manufacturer warranty, HVAC Services Pro includes a free 5-year labor warranty on all installations, giving you extra peace of mind and long-term protection. HVAC Services Pro. By securing a 5-year labor warranty, you aren't just buying service, you are buying a financial shield against the most expensive variable in HVAC maintenance. 5. Seer 2. Efficiency versus the comfort tier. Change. Looking at efficiency ratings, don't just calculate energy savings, look at the technology change. While models are available in configurations from 2 to 5 tons, the Seer 2 rating tells you how the machine actually behaves. Asterisk 14.3 Seer 2 practical comfort. The baseline for modern efficiency. Reliable but standard. Asterisk 15.2. Seer 2, the popular upgrade. The sweet spot for many replacing older, inefficient systems. Asterisk 17, Seer 2, enhanced performance. Usually features 2-stage cooling for better temperature consistency. Asterisk 18, Seer 2, variable speed tier. This is a technical tier change. Variable speed compressors don't just save energy. They provide superior humidity control and whisper-quiet operation. The hidden rule of sizing. Never buy more tonnage than you need. An oversized 5-ton unit in a space that requires 3 tons will short cycle, turning off before it can remove humidity. You'll be left with air that is cold, damp, and uncomfortable. Conclusion: the real cost of comfort. When you invest in a Trane system, you are buying more than a metal box. You are entering into a 10-year financial contract. The brand on the chassis matters, but the transparency of the installer is what determines your ROI. The best investment strategy ignores size-based surcharges and prioritizes installers who offer upfront pricing, free installation, and extended labor protection. When you look at your next quote, can you see exactly what's included, or are you paying for the hesitation in your contractor's answer?